Good morning, sir. My name is Nicola Rosefmolo from 1.8 PSHM. I will present a topic that is very relevant to us as students. This is the academic pressure and its physiological impact on college students. I explore how academic pressure affects the physical health of college students by examining its physiological impact on the brain, heart, immune system, overall body function, and academic stress affects the physical health of college students. What is academic pressure? A experience from trying to meet academic expectations, full family, to pressure society, includes deadline grades, working, and competition. This is academic pressure reference that trust students feel when they try successes and medical don't only come from school, but also from family expectations or for reward. This pressure becomes more insistent during exam or project deadlines. Why is academic pressure a problem? Bullet 1 common among college students. Bullet 2 often underestimated. Bullet 3 can lead to chronic physical and mental health issues. Many students think stress is just part of college, but long-term academic pressure can cause serious health problems. Recognizing the impact is the first step in solving it. How stress affects the body? Stress activity the agent exit. Bullet 2 release control the stress hormone. Bullet 3 short-term boosts alertness. Bullet 4 long-term cause heart. When we're stressed, our body goes in, into survive, made it products control which help us stay alert, but if stress lasts too long this harmony causes damage inside of helping brain and nervous system impact. Bullet 1 for memory and concentration. Bullet 2 anxiety and depression. Bullet 3 emotional explanation and burnout. Academic stress effective brain production. Students may feel tired, analysis, or emotional dry, making it harder to study or focus. Effective of the heart and blood pressure. Bullet 1, faster heart rate. Bullet 2, high blood pressure. Bullet 3, long-term heart problems. The body reacts to stress like this danger. Your heart beats faster and your blood pressure is if this keeping happening it can damage your heart. Sleep problems. Difficult falling or staying asleep. Frequent during the day. Poor academic performance. Many students lost sleep due to academic stress. Lack of sleep make it hard to encourage and learn, making the problem worse. Sensitive system effective. Bullet 1 stomach pain. Bullet 2 affected change. Bullet 3 emotional eating or skipping meals. Stress stress can also affect digestion. Some students eat too much when they are stressing, others stop eating. Anxiety both are unhealthy. Weak immunity system. Bullet 1 more likely to get sick. Bullet 2 slower recovery from illness. Bullet 3 risk of chronic figure. When you're externally stressing your immune system, becomes weaker and your gut stick more often than you may feel tired even after processing. Other physical symptoms. Stress don't just affect the internal organs, it can cause headaches, body plan, and even skin breakouts. They are physical signs of emotional stress. Coping screens. Bullet 1. Time management. Bullet 2. Regular exercise and sleep. And bullet 3. Healthy eating. And lastly, talking to someone, friends, counselor. It's important for students to manage stress in healthy ways. Small changes like organizing your schedule and getting help from others can make a big difference. Role of school and university. Bullet 1. Offer mental health support. Bullet 2. Promote balanced workloads. And bullet 3. Encourage student wellness programs. School also have responsibility. They can reduce pressure by offering counseling, mental health days and creating a healthier academic improvement. From conclusion, academic pressure is more than just a mental learning effective either part of the body. With proper support and coping skills, students that success without harming their healthy. Bullet 1. Academic pressure is calm but dangerous if undamaging. Bullet 2 is affected the body and mind. Bullet 3. Early action and support are key. In, if in the unmanaged can lead to serious physical medical condition, promoting healthy coping skills, time management, and access to mental health resources and essential to support the will be from college students and I'm thank you